What is up, guys? Juminator13 here, back with yet another video. And today's video is going to be on this 72 to 76 1976 Pioneer 1073 chainsaw. Not exactly sure which year it was made, but is an old saw. Has a 16-inch bar and chain, and I got it from a friend who wants me to clean it up for them. So this thing was covered in sawdust and just gunk and grime. So I cleaned it from top to bottom and got it running yesterday. So yeah, found out I was going to get a carb kit for it, or a new carb if I could, but they don't make them anymore. You'd have to buy new old stock, so no parts really available for this unless you're willing to pay up. And overall, just a good saw. I mean, doesn't have the modern day safety, the chainsaw break, or anything of that nature. Just hope you don't cut yourself. So this is a saw. I'm just sort of talking about it as I put bar and chain on. But overall, it is a good saw. Runs really good. It's got a Tillotson carburetor, HU-15A, I believe, and just good saw overall. There we go. Get my screwdriver. Here it is. Pioneer 1073. It's in fairly good condition, considering it's some odd years old. I don't feel like doing the math, but it's a good saw. Here's the identification tag. But yeah, good saw. 16:1 gas to oil mix ratio. But since we have better fuel nowadays, you can just run 50:1. You just have to tune the carb different. Automatic oiler instead of the hand operated one. So yeah, next video will be part 2. It's going to be start up and run, which I will post tomorrow. So yeah, guys, have a good day and peace.